What's up?
Sup?
You don't know how to answer when they ask you what's up. Okay, greet me.
Hello? No, wait. How are you? What? No, wait. Good morning. No, good night. Good evening. Good evening.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening. How are you?
Fine.
So I want to know, the other time it was you asking me questions, right?
Yes.
So this time around, it is me asking you questions.
Holy moly, hell no.
Hell yeah. So first and foremost, you are going to tell me what is your name.
Oh, my name is Minister.
What? Huh?
Nothing.
Why are you running out of my camera? Come.
Okay, so my name is Minister. If my laptop says so, but my real name is Prince. I don't like to say my real name, but my name is Prince Paji. Mama Prince. Welcome.
Prince, can you say your real name?
Okay, Prince Paji, welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, that is not funny.
Okay, my name is Prince Paji, welcome first. Okay, my name is Prince Paji, welcome first. In there.
And which class are you in?
Yeah, 3.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Chemibo.
Why?
Damn, I'm going to tell you're going to have to stay here a long time.
Why do I have to stay here a long time? You can just tell us 1 or 2 things you like about her.
Best.
She's the best.
Yes.
What's your best subject? What is your best subject?
Math.
How many did you get in math? In a midterm. You call it midterm?
Yeah.
So what did you get in?
No, I mean the end of it. You mean
the other time when I came to your school?
Oh yeah. 68.
What's
no
that?
60? No, is it 60? 60.
So that's a what? It's a B. It's a C.
B.
It's a B. So what did you get this time?
A.
You got an A.
But I need my Robux now.
What's your Robux?
It comes to my bank account.
You have a bank account?
Yes. You know that.
So you want me to get my money and
your
put
credit
it on
card.
My credit card and put it on your
my laptop. I think you can give me 1 million because you work every year, so you can give me 1 million. Have a million. Okay, a million.
Okay, Prince. I will gift you, but me as a person, I will get what to gift you. You do not tell me what to give you, right? I'll just find something that suits you and I gift you. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what do you want to be?
A footballer.
A footballer. What's your best hobby? You want to be a footballer?
Yeah.
So what's your best sport? What's your best game?
Striker.
What is a striker? Meanwhile, striker is
someone who scores all goals from there.
Striker is someone who scores goals.
Like
Ronaldo. So who is your best player?
Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Which team do you support?
Manchester United. You talk about Arsenal.
I talk about Arsenal because I support Arsenal. So you
guys
and your dad.
You guys are losing from 0% of just, you see, from Manchester City. 0% your name Ronaldo wasn't there.
Manchester City won because Ronaldo wasn't there. So that
he was there how they win because of Ronaldo.
Oh, Ronaldo was in Manchester City.
Yeah. He's in Manchester City. He used to be in Juventus, and now he was in Real Madrid. Now he's in Manchester United.
So where do you play from?
Proline.
You as a person, Proline.
Yes.
It's Proline what? Proline Academy?
Yes.
Proline Academy.
Come and support me.
I should come and support you. So you play as a striker or midfielder?
But I can do it. I can be like you can score, but strikers are the most people score. So I can be like a striker.
You can do both, but you prefer being a striker. Okay, what can you tell kids watching you right now in case they want to be like best footballers tomorrow? Which advice can you give them?
Okay. One thing to give them. First of all, focus. Taking of all.
Huh? Focus on?
Focus, and second of all,
Oh, yeah, second of all, I had not heard that. Okay.
play video games. No, I'm just saying. I mean, yeah, you got to wait.
They play
I
video
thought you want to be able to. No. You watch Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Okay.
Then
So they should watch Cristiano Ronaldo.
how he plays it.
They shouldn't watch Messi. They shouldn't watch any other person.
Okay, Messi is second place. Like Emboozi was, I forgot Emboozi was third place, I think. Yeah. So after that, you go and tell your mom what you want to be, and she takes you to academy video.
Look there. Tell them.
Welcome.
It's even getting dark.
I know.
Let me get light here. You
Hell
guys,
no.
we are
No.
somewhere. So let me see. Can you see us? I'm trying to get light. Yes. Woo! Oh, I wish we did this earlier. So, you were still telling them the third advice?
No, okay, the third advice. We have been going, focus.
Focus.
Watch football.
Yeah, true. And sorry.
And make friends.
Make friends.
And have
Good.
a team.
Have
And
a
be the captain leader. And be the striker.
All those things.
You have to have the
So,
most in your teams.
You asked me about my job.
Yeah.
The advice I should give to people who want to be like good presenters.
You
You even know? I knew it.
You don't do with me.
I knew it. He didn't know where I work because he's always watching.
Not my laptop.
He's always on his laptop, watching things I don't understand. I don't know YouTube. I don't know with those challenges, stuff like that. You don't even know where I work. Can you please say where I work? And I give you 10 million.
You swear. In my Robux.
Yes.
Damn, yes. You work in MBS. You are an actor. Third of all, you have a business. Fourth of all, you work
2
in,
minutes.
You work in Spark TV.
Wrong.
No hell. Okay. You're a great wife. You're a great mother.
End of video. Someone lost.
No, but you said one. You didn't say all of them. So that means you have to only 2 million. No, 10 million.
I said you did not mention all the things I do. So
But
somebody.
some of them are correct. One was wrong. That's now
1, 2. Okay, 1 was wrong. You got only 4, so you missed the fifth.
6.
Okay,
I
repeat.
said you're a great mother and a great wife. You're welcome.
Guys, bye until next time. We love you. Tell them bye.
Okay, bye.